The Larson Electronics medium voltage transformer is powerful, reliable, and designed with the environment in mind. Suitable for indoor applications, this transformer provides increased reliability and protection against critical equipment failures. The low operating costs, lower heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. With a transformer rating of 500 kVA, this medium voltage transformer is a three-phase unit with a primary voltage of 4160 volt delta. It also provides a secondary voltage of 208Y and 120 volt Wye-N. Featuring robust construction, this unit's cores are manufactured with non-aging cold-rolled silicon steel laminations using state-of-the-art technology. The standard NEMA Type 3R rated enclosure makes the unit suitable for indoor applications, and it can be floor-mounted. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.